Did you know that certain advertisements can be considered discriminatory under the Fair Housing Act? Items such as online advertisements, newspaper, pictures, TV or radio ads, and speech will fall within the Fair Housing Act's prohibition on discriminatory advertising. Keep these tips in mind when creating your next housing advertisement to stay in compliance with the Fair Housing Act. Focus on the property, not on your ideal buyer or renter. Do not make statements that have the effect to exclude individuals of a protected class from your advertising. Avoid restricting your advertisements from only reaching certain individuals or audiences. And always be familiar with local and state fair housing laws that may offer even broader protections. As we continue to learn more about how unconscious bias impacts the real estate industry, test your knowledge of fair housing by taking the National Association of Realtors Fair Housing Simulation Fairhaven at www.fairhaven.realtor. Thanks for watching.